This is my office before. Now that's an old TV. Couldn't get it working, so I got a different TV. That's going to be mounted over the two monitors that I have. I'm also going to get rid of the desk and build a floating desk to have mounted on the wall and have it seamless. So let's see how it turns out as we go through this journey. All right, so this is my office, equipped with little Legos for kids. Ignore the bigger TV back there, but that little TV is going to get mounted above those two monitors I have. I'm going to build a desk and have it free floating off of the wall, and I'm going to support the desktop and the sub down there somehow. I'll figure it out, but this is what it looked like before. All right, so I've got my TV mounted. Now we have to mount the monitors, and they are going to be placed on a piece of 2x12. I'm going to have them floating right below the monitor right here, right below the TV.
And also, like and subscribe. We only have 400 subscribers. So can you please help us get to 1 million subscribers today?
That was my little motivator right there. So if you could please go ahead and give us a like and subscribe to the channel, that would really help us out. All right, now that we have everything level here, the monitors are just off because the cords are pulling down on the PC. We're gonna raise the PC up, mount the desk. That's also gonna be on the wall. It's only gonna be supported by the wall brackets that come out like an L shape. But now that everything's here, we're gonna punch some holes in the back of the wall, route these cords through the backside so that way they're not seen, and it'll be really seamless. All right, now we've got the brackets on there. It's level. We have our spacing right. So I just got to secure everything to the wall and then get our top, throw that on top. Connect everything through the wall. You see I already have a couple of holes made. Connect it all, wire it all up. We'll be done with this wall. And then we're gonna have to move to this wall where I'm gonna have an accent wall painted. We'll leave this one the way it is. All right, now we have the desk in place, mounted and everything. This little contraption here is just momentary, so it's just so I can elevate my computer. But I'm gonna get all that changed out, and eventually it's coming together now, but eventually it'll all be done. All right, now I got everything all cleaned up. The next step is we're gonna take this bookshelf and put it over there along the wall so it kind of doubles as a bench seat and a bookshelf. And I'm going to start working on painting this wall and getting an accent ready, as well as running my LED lights around the whole top. All right, now that we've gotten the wall all painted up and dry, looks good. Time to put the outlet back on. We'll get our accent pieces. We'll get all the trim for the molding at the top and run our LED lights. And I also have to reorganize this and move it over here. Now, my little contraption to hold up my tower is currently being painted, so I'll throw that in there once it's done. All right, time for an update. So I've gotten a couple of things rearranged. Put a chair right there, put that bookshelf over there, and these pieces of wood here, cut them down in the shop. They are gonna go up around to hold the LED strip. Now, I didn't want just normal crown molding. Since this is wood, I have a recess cut in the back so that way it can support the light and hide it from the front side. So you won't be able to see it, but it will be there between the wall and the wood so it can shine directly up at the ceiling. So let's go ahead and get this started. All right, all the trim is up, surrounding the entire thing. Now we can run the lights. All right, I'm gonna get started on that. I'll just run it and then turn them on so you guys can see what it looks like. All right, now that I've got everything wired up, I have quite a bit of excess. That's why it's just draped around the door here for a minute. I'm gonna put some accent lines here that are made of wood along the wall and use that extra LED to run it through there. So let's turn these lights off and see how it looks. There you go. It is all done. Accent wall and all. So I decided with a little extra just to run those across these accent pieces. I am gonna get a little piece of plexiglass to put in front just to kind of diffuse that light and hide it. But overall, I think it turned out good. and you already see what we have on the screen. The channel, go ahead and like and subscribe if you're not already. But that's gonna do it for this video. Thanks for tuning in. You guys have a good one.